Alright guys, so I'm filling up the transmission fluid. This is what I use, a funnel, 3/8 hose, or sorry, half an inch ID hose. You plug this into the transmission fill plug and then just let the fluid do the rest. This is transmission fluid. He said little over 2 liters is what I'm gonna need to fill this thing up. So let's see if the parts guy is right. So make sure the engine and the car is level, because when you fill this thing up and when it starts spilling out of the hole, that's when you stop. Alright, so on the manual transmission fluid, that's pretty much it. There's no number. What kind of weight is this thing? Just said specifically for Honda. Alright, so show you on the transmission side here what we're dealing with.
Fill plug already, so this should be just a hand tight loose. There's that silver washer in this thing, so make sure this thing's clean, and then we're gonna stick this extension hose, so basically just like that.
Alright, so you can see that's the hose. I'm gonna put the funnel on the end of the hose, and make sure to put a drain pan underneath, because when this thing is full, it's gonna start leak out. So let's make sure to put the drain pan, and make sure the vehicle is level to the ground. I have to use this narrow long funnel because it won't go into the clear hose. So this is a good setup. Make sure let it rest on that brake lines or transmission clutch line, so that's nice and straight. All right, let's put her in. It looks like light purple, the fluid. Yeah, when you hear that, that's draining out, so that means it's full. So it's time to put the plug in. Alright guys, gonna put the cable back on the battery, just cleaning it off all this rust. I believe it's this is ready to go. Positive. Yeah, this is ready to start, hopefully, but I'm just gonna prime the fuel, and I'm not gonna start up, just gonna prime it, just wanna see if there's anything leak on the fuel. Okay, I don't want to go crazy about things yet. I know we have oil, I know we have transmission oil in there, brand new battery, engine oil, of course, power steering, don't worry about that. One thing I don't know is fuel. We'll find out here if you have fuel. Alright, this is the scary part, is when you put this negative to the battery post, hear something pop, fuse pop, or something spark. You never know. Here we go. For the first time. Sounds like it's okay. Nothing pops, so. Alright guys, so let's go turn the key on prime only, we'll see if there's a fuel leaking. I got the light set up here. This is where the fuel and stuff, and we'll check underneath after. There we go. The moment of truth. I heard something. Here we go again. Yeah, I heard something prime. So good, nothing. You can feel the line a little bit cool. A little bit cool means that the fuel is going in there.
Doesn't seem like it's wet on the floor.
Okay, I'm gonna put you guys in close to the gas cap here and see if you can hear the prime. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna prime again. Alright guys, we got some couple goodies came in. We got the air filter, and the main thing is the knock sensor. So we're gonna hook those two up, and then we're gonna start the engine, and let's see how it goes. Start the engine, put coolant in, and then we're gonna do base timing on this. That's base timing has been you ground the connector inside, right by the passenger side. There's a connector there that you had to put a pin, connect them together, and then we're gonna use timing light, and yeah, we're gonna put it on a TDC 10-15 degrees, I believe. But first has to be in a warm condition. The engine has to be warm. The rad fan is turned on. That's when you do a set the timing when the rad fan is turned on a couple times. But first we had to do the coolant, bled the air. So there's lots of things to do before we start driving this. So let's start with the air filter. Alright guys, I got the coolant ready to go. Hey, look at this. Look who's here. Hey guys.
Oh, hi.
Alright guys, so we're ready for the coolant now. We got the knock sensor hooked in. Exhaust. The clamp for the coolant is on. So it's ready for the coolant. Green coolant. I got 3 liter in here. And pour another 3 liter of water to mix it 50-50. You guys here again?
We're going to McDonald's. Come on.
Oh, okay. Go play. Alright guys, now we're gonna put water in. Hot coolant, hot water. You're gonna have to turn the engine and get it cycle. Alright, so we'll wait for 15-20 minutes and then let's see if what's gonna happen. Alright guys, we're gonna start the engine and let's put some temperature on this thing. Just keep an eye on the temperature, guys. We'll wait till the temperature on this is 180 or 190 Fahrenheit. We'll just keep it warm. Okay, I'm gonna put a scan tool on this. I'm gonna find out the precise temperature. And there's the engine lights on, so we'll find out what's that code. Okay, only one code. And engine coolant temperature. It's only one code, but we'll wait. We'll delete that, and then when everything runs good, see what else is needs to be done. Okay, we can't delete it because the engine has to be turned off. So you can see there's intake coolant temperature code P0118. We'll wait for the temperature to get on the right operating temperature. It will show temperature here. Check out, see if there's leaks. Looks like it's good. It's dry. Coolant -40. That's not reading properly. You're gonna have to check that out. The gauge in here, coolant, it's about below normal. So there's something wrong. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off and then delete the code and let's see what the result come up. delete data. Are you sure? Yes. Code's still up. Okay, we're gonna check this out. Hold on. Alright guys, so engine light's still on this code B0118. I got the Maxicom MK608 right here. We put a brand new sensor, coolant sensor, and we're gonna delete it. I'll just show you what the code come up, and then I'll show you to delete the code. See how, oh sorry, it's P0117 low input. Okay, so let's delete that. Engine's off. Yes. Yes. Okay. Turn ignition switch off. Switch is on. And code's engine light is off. Do scan. Let's see what. See, there's no code. Let's start the engine. No lights. Live data. There you go. ECU. Engine coolant temperature 77. Not bad. When you jump the connector on the ECT, this is the code you get, the P0117. That's the code. Alright guys, with a new engine coolant sensor, then this is what it looks like now. (181 Fahrenheit) on the engine coolant sensor. Really good. Idle really nice. Let's go inside. Engine light is off. Really nice. Idle way below about 800 or 700 RPM. I know my fuel is empty, really low, so the only way to solve that problem on that code is putting a brand new engine coolant sensor.